Hi there! Today we're gonna make a creamy soup made out of buttersquash and broccoli. We will be needing chopped onion, garlic, broccoli, and buttersquash, thyme that was been mixed with salt, and a chicken stock, added with cheese and milk. It's cooking time. Let's heat our cooking pan and we add some extra virgin olive oil. Add in our unsalted butter. Since it is unsalted, so we need to add some salt. Add in our garlic. And our chopped onion. Just keep on sauteing the garlic and the onion. Add in our buttersquash. Keep on sauteing until it is 60% cooked. And now we add in our chopped broccoli. Keep on cooking until it is well blended. And add our thyme. Continue mixing it, then add our chicken stock. Cover it and let it boil until all the vegetables are soft enough to blend. Once the vegetables are all soft and cooked, turn off the fire and now start blending. You may use a blender or you may use an electric hand mixer just like this one. Once it is blended, you may turn on the fire and continue cooking the soup. And it's now ready to add in our cheese. It is up to you if you want to use any other brand or any other type of cheese. Continue mixing until our cheese is well melted. As you go along, you will see that the soup is becoming a little bit more thicker. Just make sure also that the fire is in medium heat. And let's add in our milk. Just continue mixing. And if you think that your soup is not thick enough, you may readjust it by adding some water that was being mixed with corn flour. You may top it with chopped coriander or dill. Here it is, guys. Our soup is done and ready to serve. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and share and subscribe my channel for my next vlog. I'll see you soon.